Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to talk to you today about the lymph system and your eyes. So the lymph system is one of the most important parts of our body. It helps us with our immune system. It also helps us with our detoxification pathways, and it's a huge network in our body that helps us with our circulation. Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to talk to you today about cataracts. So if you've just been to your eye doctor and he or she has diagnosed you with cataracts, you're probably feeling a little fear, resignation, or confusion. Now, if you ask your doctor, are there any integrative, complementary therapies that you could do to reverse cataracts, you're probably going to be met with the answer no. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Please send your comments to me. I'd love to hear from you.